Hi, welcome to the next video. So today in this video we're going to discuss about some of the very important terminologies. The one is like tautologies, then contradictions, converse, inverse and contrapositive. So two statements I took. Now with the help of that statement we will be going to learn all these three things, and with one of the truth table we will be going to learn about tautologies and contradictions. Okay, so tautologies and contradictions, they are opposite of each other. For example, let me make a truth table here. Let's say P and Q. Okay, and I am making here maybe 0 1 1 0. Okay, and here I am doing P plus Q or P or Q. Okay, now I am doing here, let's say I am making it X. X is P plus Q and Y is P dot Q. Okay, so what is Y? Y is P dot or P and Q. So if you will OR it, okay, 0 or 1, it will be going to give you 1. 1 or 0, it will be going to give you 1 only. Now coming to here, P and Q, if you will AND 0 with 1, it will be going to give you 0. If you will do this 1 ANDed with 0, it will be going to give you 0. Right. So in both the conditions, it will be going to give you 0 here, and here in both the conditions, it will be going to give you 1. So when X, for all its resultant values, it is giving you 1. When any of the condition, when it is coming positive only, so that particular condition is known as tautology. That all the resultant value of that particular equation or of that particular statement is coming as true. That condition is tautology. And if the opposite happen, okay, so all the values of that particular resultant, for example here in this case we are having Y, all the values of Y, it is coming 0. So that is known as contradictions. Okay, so this is how the tautology is and this is how the contradictions are. Now we will discuss about converse, inverse and contrapositive. Okay, so we have a statement here. For example, we are having here, let's say for these two statements are there. P is it is raining, and you know this is the first statement, P, it is raining, and second statement is sky is not clear. Okay, so what is the converse of it? So what you have to do is basically you have to write this equation in opposite way. So how you will write in opposite way? So the P is known as antecedent and Q is known as consequent. So when you will change consequent with antecedent, it will become converse, also known as new condition. How it happened? For example, you know, you are having this statement which is, first we will write general statement. I am writing if it is raining, right? If it is raining, then sky is not clear. Sky is not clear. Now how we can interchange it? We can put Q here and P here. Now this interchanging is nothing but the converse. Now how this statement will look like? It will look like this. If sky is not clear, then it is raining. Okay, so this is known as converse. Now let's move to inverse. Now you know, you can also remember this formula. Here I have written for the converse, this one. So this particular equation here I have written for inverse, and here I have written for contrapositive. So if you remember this equation now, so it will be super easy to write any of the, like I have given you one example of raining and sky, but any question come, any sentence come, you can handle it. One thing you have to please remember, you can make the note also, that please whenever the not is there, so be alert about it. Okay, so when we will do this reverse of not, so it will be, this not will be going to, you know, replace from there. Okay, let me tell you what I am trying to say. Now I am erasing this. Now let's discuss about inverse. Okay, inverse. So inverse is nothing but P complement Q complement. Okay, so what is complement of P? So P is it is raining. So complement of P is it is not raining. Okay, so if it is not raining, okay, now the beautiful part here, not is there, I told you. Now since it is Q complement, so this not will be we can't use in the sentence, we have to reverse it now. So sky is not clear, the reverse of sky is not clear, sky is clear, then sky is clear, right? Then sky is clear. Okay, so this particular statement is nothing but inverse, right? Now inverse and contrapositive, they are not similar, but somewhat you can think like this. If you will interchange, like in converse we interchange, na? So similarly in contrapositive, what will happen, if we interchange this Q and P, then this statement will be going to become this converse. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so if what is Q? Sky is not clear. So what is Q complement? Sky is clear. So if sky is clear, then P complement will be it is raining, so it is not raining. It is not raining. Okay, so this statement particularly is contrapositive. So this one was inverse and this one is contrapositive. I hope you got the clear idea. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Tautology from CodeMSBians. Thank you so much.